Hi guys, welcome to my channel Interior Design with Rae again. Okay, so today I'm going to show you one of the my ongoing project at this Haosan Drive. Basically the area is about 1000 over square feet. It's a 3-bedder. The space are not really big. I think, as you know, nowadays the condos are smaller in sizes. Okay, so even the rooms are smaller. So today I'm going to show you, based on the original layout, what I've designed for the living, dining, and also the 3 bedrooms. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so this is the main entrance. Okay, as you can see, nowadays there are a few developments that have got this configuration. So once you enter, right, it's actually a wall facing the main entrance. So what I designed was to have a shoe cabinet here. It's not just a shoe cabinet, but also a display, okay, in the middle, right? So all these are using what we call the tic-tac door or the tip-on door. Okay, no handles, so there's no big gaps, right? No recessed handle, so no big gaps around the cabinet itself. Okay, so at this display area there's going to be a LED strip which is at the back. Can't really see it now, but you can see the cover there. Okay, so that will enhance the display area, but it's a backlit kind of display. Okay, so over here, right, the design joins to this feature wall. So this feature wall, the interesting part is this is actually like a picture frame, okay, but in fact it's actually a LED strip, right, or LED light. The homeowner is going to hang 2 of his artwork, okay, over here. So that LED strip frame will actually surround the 2 artwork that he has. And if you look at this material here, right, it's very nice. It's got texture and it's got this very nice natural grain. Okay, a shout out to Arova laminate. What I find is they have very interesting laminate to choose from. So if you are looking for any lamination, you can always look out for them, Arova. Okay, over at this side here, okay, if you see this side, it's actually the dining area. Okay, but in order to enhance the space, I'm not going to place a mirror here because I find that it's a bit too tacky. So I just have the mirror over at this side here. Okay, so the design will actually continue, right? There's a flow from the entrance all the way to the living area. Okay, this is the tinted mirror. Okay, so tinted mirror, there are different shades or different tones of gray, right? So just try to get the lightest gray that you can find in the market. Okay, and this feature wall goes up all the way to the ceiling. Okay, ceiling is not too high, it's about 2.7, 2.8. Okay, so with that height, right, I can have a drop ceiling here. Okay, existing aircon, so you got to open up the aircon pelmet, okay, to service the aircon. Okay, so next come to the living area, and you can see here the living area is also not very wide. Okay, it's a bit longish from the dining to the living, and then the balcony is over there. So what I've done is to do a feature wall here. Okay, these are some display glass shelving. You can see the slot. Okay, these are the slot for the glass to insert in. Okay, so at the back of this small panel, there's also LED strip at the sides. Okay, and I'm repeating this dark wood laminate, right, from the shoe cabinet side. And over here is actually a very nice stone look laminate. Okay, so that's for the TV feature wall. At the bottom, okay, is all the way to the floor TV console. There's an open shelving here, some drawers and doors. So basically everything is neat and nice. Everything is full height so that it enhances the overall height of the ceiling. And if you look at this, right, these are the concealed track lights. Okay, so I actually use that to create it's like a square, okay, just to connect the 4 tracks together. Okay, and then I think that will enhance the living area nicely. Okay, one thing to take note, whenever you have this concealed LED track light, you need a space to store the drivers, okay, because it comes with a driver. So where normally do you keep, right? If you have some storage here, then you can actually keep it inside the storage cabinet. But if you don't have like this one, right, this is just a plain feature wall, not very thick, right, it's about 100 mm. So there's no space to put a driver. Okay, so you can ask your false ceiling guy to make an access panel, okay, over there, so you can open up and then can hide the driver inside. Okay, so let's go to the bedrooms. Right, as you can see here, this is a passageway to the bedroom master, and then 2 common bedrooms. This is size is about 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter bedroom. I'm sure nowadays it's very common to get this size of bedroom. Okay, of course it will come with this bedroom wardrobe by the developer. Okay, so what I've designed is to have the raise up platform. Okay, I think basically it's for more storage. Okay, so you can see here, right, there's some storage here, then there's some storage drawers at the sides as well. Okay, but the design doesn't end straight, the design ends a bit curved to end at the wardrobe side. Okay, so I'm going to show you the image on the top right corner, the design for this bedroom. Okay, so basically there are feature wall going up, right? These are feature wall come headboard, right, just to add on to the mood of the whole bedroom, right? This is for sun. Okay, so the theme is slightly dark, which they are fine with that. Okay, and over here it's going to be finished with blind. Okay, there's a false ceiling here. Okay, there's a drop and then there's a cove light at the sides. Okay, there's only one down light there, right, shining down. So I think that's sufficient enough because it's just a bedroom. But then at the headboard side there's some LED strips running around. So I think that should be bright enough for a bedroom this size. Okay, let's come to this second bedroom. The size is almost the same as the first bedroom. Okay, so design is in a sense like a mirror image. Okay, so there's also this storage platform. Same thing, there's going to be feature wall, headboard, and then feature wall for the TV, and false ceiling with the cove light. Okay, so same thing. Look at the top right corner. Right, I'm showing you the 3D of the this bedroom. Okay, let's come to the master bedroom. Okay, master bedroom is slightly bigger in a sense because there is like a entrance. Okay, so once you come in, there's an entrance here. So this wall, after the measurement, right, is good for a queen size bed. Right, if you have a king size bed, it might look too huge in this bedroom. Right, although it's a master bedroom. So I advise my clients to use a queen size. Okay, same thing, there's a false ceiling, right, with a cove light and then a down light here. Okay, and then headboard, right, platform as well, and feature wall over here. One thing I don't quite like is this aircon area. Okay, you can see that there's a lot of odd corners here and there. Right, I think this is by the developer. I don't understand why they have to create edges like that. The remaining of the walls that are being exposed, right, will be wallpaper, right, or wall covering, right, to finish up the look of the space. Same for the 2 bedrooms as well. Okay, if there are any walls that are being exposed, right, all those will be finished with wallpaper. Okay, just want to show you a bit on the wallpaper. Okay, how they install the wallpaper. Okay, so you can see here, right, the PowerPoint normally they'll cut a hole, okay, and then they'll trim around the edges. Okay, so today is just an introduction about this 3-bedroom condo. Okay, so along the way, when there are more carpentry works being installed, then I'll show you more updates. Okay, so stay tuned and watch my other videos.